Got Atticus here loving the water. See if we can zoom in a bit to see. He is going to be all wet in a minute.
Yeah.
Yay!
What about this one, Atticus?
Oh, there's some more, all in a circle. Whoa, some of the others are coming on. I better make sure I don't get wet. Just the right height.